So YouTube has really changed the game. It recently occurs to me that the general public has no idea how much YouTubers makes. But the thing is, you can have several different videos with a million views that makes very different amount of money. So usually what I found, 1 million views can make generally about $1,000, and every $1,000 can give you about $1 on Google AdSense, also known as the ad revenue. This is a video under 10 minutes long and it's monetized, doesn't have anything inappropriate, because if it's not appropriate as YouTube consider it, you're pretty much making nothing. So now let's use PewDiePie as an example, one of the biggest YouTuber on planet Earth right now. So he had over 100 million subscribers and almost all of his video has over 3 million views. His most viewed video is over 200 million views. With this kind of massive amount of traffic on his YouTube channel, how much money does PewDiePie makes? So according to Social Blade that we know until today, December 2019, his estimated monthly earning is $62.6K to $1 million. And that's only considered the money from YouTube ad, because most famous YouTuber also has online store, stream donation, and company sponsor, even brand deals. They can easily lead up to millions of dollars. So we can expect this number to at least double, which leads us to $120K to $2 million per month. That's a massive number. Imagine you can become a millionaire in a month. PewDiePie might consider us the most subscriber YouTuber on YouTube, but YouTube does not only pay you for money because you have a huge amount of subscribers. YouTube pay you money by the view you have, how many people click in the ad in your video. So let's pick a YouTuber that has more viewers than PewDiePie, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast considered one of the biggest YouTuber, considered almost every one of his videos is over 10 million views. So his most viewed video has over 70 million views on YouTube. When we look at how much money he makes, this number is really similar as the amount we see on PewDiePie. Even his subscribers is much less than PewDiePie. So a couple years ago, YouTube rolled out with this feature that when your video is over 10 minutes long, you can add more ads to the video. So you can add as much ads as you can. So you can throw an ad in there every 30 seconds, but no one gonna watch that. But you can add ads too in the middle of the video, and it will be a huge difference. But you need to make a good content, because people need to actually watch until the ad, until the second ad you add in order to give you money. If the people drop out at the beginning of the video, then you're still making nothing. So the next is CPM. The CPM is the amount of earning you made per 1,000 views on YouTube. So basically, if you have a $1 CPM and you got a million views, then you have $1,000. CPM also depends on what type of video you make, the watch time, even where's your viewer from, and the age of your viewer. Because because the older your viewer gets, they have a higher chance of clicking on video and buying stuff off of the ad. That's about what I got this time so far. If you guys want more about this kind of video, make sure you guys leave a like and a comment down below. Tell me what type of video you guys want next time, and I'll be making more this type of video in the next time I see you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.